Good evening, everyone. This is Alok, and I am here to present you about three strengths of USA. Why in in today's time USA is developing, but with their three strengths. Let's talk about it. There are three strengths which talks about innovation and technology. Firstly, I can say with Silicon Valley because it consists a technological hub which starts with some datas that most of the starting opening of business entrepreneurs started their business from Silicon Valley. The second is global tech giants. Most of the global tech giants we know about, like Google, Microsoft, YouTube, they started from US. The third is leader in AI and aerospace. It says that aerospace and artificial intelligence is a leader of USA. It started as a leadership through AI and artificial intelligence, we can say, and the aerospace, which started from USA. Here is an example you can see. The first landed at moon, a human which is from who is from USA in 1969. The last and fourth point is a culture that reward risk taking. It means if you are not taking a risk, then you will not achieve it. USA says that if you take risk, like they directly says, a risk, if you take risk, it means you are innovative and creative. That's why you are taking that risk because you have large percent that you can achieve it. Second slide, which means our second strength is that economic strength and enterprise. First point consists of world largest economy. We all know that it is the world's largest economy. With this data, I can say that USA is the world's largest economy with 23.7 trillion of their economy. Second is free market system. Free market system means opening competition between all the industries which says compete, grow and innovate together. The third is Wall Street and global resistance. Global resistance means a free market where all type of market match together and we get any type of quality of substance together at that place. Immigrant entrepreneurs. It means most of the immigrant entrepreneurs who are from their universities, they directly get experience from top universities so that they can get top and industries so that they can experience it. The third slide means our third strength says that world class education and research. First, elite universities. It consists many universities, but Harvard University is one of the best college that we can say, which is for management. But it talks about all like management things that like principle of management, artificial intelligence, all the things we can see in management. Second is magnet of global talent. It means they attract global talent to that place so that they can attract toward their education so that they can achieve easily toward their industries, world industries. Third, heavy RD investment. They invest lot of amount in education instead of other curricular activities. They invest in RD investment, which means most of the amount they invest in technologies, innovation, creativeness, and education. Last is strong university links. It links with most of the kind universities and top universities which are from other states or other countries like China, India, and other countries which have big industries. How any country can achieve these qualities? The first is invest in education and research. Firstly, we have to invest and educate our own universities means long-term education. Most of the educated people who started their education from 0 to 100, it means not from Can start with the You can, I can do. Why is not continue? मैंने बोला indirectly कोई बात नहीं सर इससे पता चल रहा है आप कुछ कोशिश कर रहे हो ट्राइंग समथिंग न्यू बेटा क्या चल रहा है I forgot points at some like at mid of them like at here I am talking about it but the explanation of this Sir, try your best shot. The points with which you are not aware, you can skip that. I'm not talking about it. Like, I'm talking about this point, but explaining this. You can have another one. The calm mind. May I go then? If you want to take a break. वो फाइल में जाओ एक बार देखो क्या है बेटे किस नाम से आर में जाओ क्या नाम क्या है उसका थोड़ा वो पढ़ देखो नो नहीं फर्स्ट वर्ड क्या है जापान में तो आई नहीं रहे जापान क्वालिटीज लेसन्स में होगा फिर हेल में जाओ हेल में दो ही क्वालिटीज है फिर वही बात है इतनी बार समझाए क्या समझा रहा हूँ भैया नाम से सेव होती है उससे इसमें मैं क्या करूँगा डॉग करके लिखा हुआ है कुछ भी बताए जा रहे हो ये क्या लिखा हुआ है डॉग डी में जाओ सर और डॉग में कितने डॉग होंगे आपको पता नहीं चलेगा ढूंढ लो डॉग लास्ट में 3 4 है देखना है कोई 3 4 So when I have sent you in DM, then it has been written dog, and when I have sent you on the public championship वाला group, वहाँ पे lessons from Japan आ रहा है. Why is it worse? आपने कब भेजा इसमें तो अपीयर ही नहीं किया अभी तक पता नहीं किसको भेजते एक बार देख लो हो सकता है बेटा वहाँ पे ग्रुप टिक ना आया हो कुछ समझे ग्रुप टिक आएगा तभी तो होगा सेंट हाँ ना ना कोई बात इंटरनेट बंद करके भेज दिया आपने वो कोई बड़ी बात ऐसा होगा इंटरनेट खुद बंद होगा बाहरी ताकतें होती हैं पीछा करती हैं बेटा नो स्लीपर्स अवॉइड करा करो सभी लोग ये गंदा होता है तो फिर अच्छा नहीं लगता